Right then, let's do a mad one. We've got my tumble dryer, we've got sand and cement. Let's turn this bad boy into a cement mixer. There you go, it's going around. It's doing its job. Next, to add some water. Even got reverse action. Now if you ain't got a cement mixer and you've got an old knackered tumble dryer, definitely give this a go. Let's check out the consistency. Right, the consistency was good. I've got a brick here. Let's put some muck on top of it and see what it's like. That's brilliant. Well, how about that then? You can use a tumble dryer to mix up cement to lay your bricks. I know this was a bit of a mental one, but thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and please like, tag, follow and share and subscribe. It always helps our channel.